This one trade right here made me about 5,343 US dollars, and here exactly how I did it. Right. So before all this happened, let me show you exactly what was happening in our private community. So you can see that we're able to send this trade right here as a signal with 27 pips stop loss and a 449 pips target. So what did we have right here? Let me zoom in right now. So you can see that we had a level here which was very, very important because you see that there's a big momentum candle right here. So on the lower time frame, this is a drop based rally with a break of structure to the upside. Apart from that, we had a lot of liquidity right there, and the main liquidity which I always look for is the Asian session, and you can see that clearly the market took out the Asian session right here, went to the upside, and then we waited for the pullback so that you can actually buy this to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. So once the market came to this level right here, we bought and we were able to send this in our private community. And over 46 people saw this trade right here. And then guess what? The market started to move in our direction after we entered right here. And at this particular point, we were floating over 1 to 2 risk reward ratio and we had broken previous structure. Therefore, we had to move our stop loss to break even by moving to this particular price action right there. And then guess what? The market continued to go in our direction, and then we just watched the market push to the upside. Remember, my target was at this level right here, which was a massive, massive TP, right? And guess what? The market continued to actually go all the way, and at this particular point, we were up over 10 risk to reward ratio on this particular trade, and it was amazing. Okay, guess what? So the market kind of reached this particular level, bypassed it, and then we started to see the market reverse right here. My initial target was to this level right here, but remember I couldn't hold to because yesterday was Friday, therefore I had to close this trade once the market passed this level right here, which is about 1 to 9, 1 to 10 risk reward ratio actually. This is how amazing this trade was, and the good part is that everyone in the community were able to actually to get involved in this particular trade right here. Let's go to the higher time frame so that we can have an understanding of the higher time frame context right here. So we go to the 4 hour time frame. What was happening? What prompted me to actually look for buying opportunities on this particular trade? Check. So I've seen this market going to the upside right here. So there's a bullish momentum to the upside on the 4 hour time frame, and then also we can see that this is still the same price action even on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. We still have this same level right there. So basically, it was on the higher time frame, it will be a rally based rally. So, but now let's drop like to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can find something there. So, like I always tell you guys, once the Asian low is taken out, price will seek to take out the Asian high, and that's exactly what happened on this particular trade. Even the previous video, if you watched it, that's exactly what happened. So price takes out the low of the Asian session, and once that happens, guess what? During the London session, the market seems to go to take out the high of the Asian session. So very, very simple strategy right there. And you can see Asian lows were taken out right here by this touch, push the upside, and then pulled back for a confirmed entry at this level right here. And for my order block, let me show you what I chose. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. Let me see so that we can have an understanding of why I had to go to that level right there. So it's really, really important, guys. It's really, really important. So you can see that on the lower time frame, this was my order block. The high and the low of the last candle, last bearish candle before the bullish move. That was my order block. So you can see we had also a QML. Then we had the break of structure and we had a low. I simply just waited for the market to come to this level. And once it happened, guess what? The market just tapped into that level and then it was game over. You can see that once the market came back here, after taking out the Asian session, the market just simply started to move in our direction. And like I've already shown you, we ate from uh, the entry right here to a trade management breaking even and then letting the market go in our direction. And even though the market didn't come all the way to the take profit because it was Friday, we were able to bang about 1 to 10 risk reward ratio on gold, and that's amazing because in terms of pips, let me show you. In terms of pips, this is about it's about what, 280 pips, which is just crazy on God. And I really hope you also got involved in this particular trade. And if you're not, sorry about that. And yeah, make sure you check out our links down in the description if you'd like to be able to catch trades like this in our private community, in our M&F Premium Signals community. And for those that missed out on our promotion, too bad, guys. Hope you catch it next time. All right. So make sure you are active following us on Facebook and all our social media platforms so that you get involved and you don't miss out on opportunities like this right here. All right, you guys. I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.